You see, I have no option. This IBM is funding these loan executives, and these people have come to Lowly. I'll send you the details. He's sent you all the emails, and has manhandled his dad for helping him financially. And you say, do the right thing, take the right way. And these people, I'm not a business developer for these goons in authority. I mean to say contract killers in authority. Monkeys dancing for the banana in my circus. Either you give them a death warrant, I'll go do my job in Middle East, I'll live happily with my daughter. You can't steer a personal life to, kill all these people on my profession. I'm not interested in this never-ending goose chase. I know it will get nowhere. He's manhandled him. Wo koi bhi ho, I won't do anything. I'll get the crucifiers from Africa. They'll teach him a lesson. I'm not convinced to give up. अरे बाप बेटे को पैसे देगा या आपको देगा? हाँ, पूरा ज़िंदगी तेरा सोशल सर्विस करके सबका गांड धो लेके रहेगा क्या? हाँ, is he entitled to become a slave for all your social work? और ये बोल रहा है I'll make him an example. It's not an example, it's exam. वो PL निकाल के उसका permanently privilege leave दे दूँगा, घर पे बैठने बोल. This is what the problem is, madam. I hope you read between the lines and understand what's happening. और ये Pegasus लेके मेरा पूरा स्क्रीन मॉनिटरिंग कर रहा है, सर्विलेंस लॉ ब्रीच कर रहा है, and he's always on my mobile. I'm calling people in Delhi, it's reaching out to control room. और ऊपर से he is steering the personal life. मेरे को ये personal life नहीं चाहिए. Give them a death warrant. I'll shoot them with a 0.8 seconds pain. I don't mind. ऐसे ही ओसामा को बनाया था. This is how these people earn their living, out of death and destruction and pain and misery of other people. आप समझो मैडम. Today evening I'm meeting the advocate. If I get some aid, I'll stay back. Otherwise I'm leaving to some ashram until my people come back. They've told me to come to airport and call them for the visa and ticket, but my passport is gone somewhere. I misplaced. I have the other passport, but if I go with that's monitored all the time. You tell me, what am I supposed to do? आपका बाप को नहीं तो आपका माँ के ऊपर कोई हाथ डाल दे, आप चुप बैठेगा. I'm not a coward chicken in the toilet. उसको डायरिया पिल्स दे दूंगा. दुनिया भर ज़िंदगी भर वो लूज मोशन करते बैठेगा, टॉयलेट में सेटल हो जाएगा. आई हैव द पिल. आई पैरालाइज ऑल हिज मेंटल नर्वस सिस्टम्स. अब बोलो वो क्या गलती किया? आई नीड इट ऑन ए डॉटेड लाइन. मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. हाँ, यू पुट हिम euphoria pill and then you praise him, take him on top of the hill and push him on the grounds and tell him he did the mistake. They didn't let him sleep for 7 days. ऐसा करते हो क्या तुम? Cognitive functions, judgment capabilities, blood circulation ज़्यादा रहता है, memory नहीं access होता है, memory is too weak, you can't access your negative memory, plus you go on a long run of uptime and then all the toxins are in the brain, melatonin release नहीं होता है. What will happen? He will die with a brain seizure, and then he commits a mistake and this person comes and puts a label. ऐसे लोगों को मैं ट्रेनिंग नहीं देता है, हमारा बेइज्जती है. I've explained everything in detail. अगली बार मेरे को ट्रेनिंग पूछा, I'm telling you this is worst. ये बहुत क्रिटिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन है, क्लासिफाइड डेटा है. If I give it to these idiots, they'll go sell it in the supermarket like they sell themselves. I am not after supermarket chocolate. अब बोलो, who the hell asked them to exploit his private life? He is leading everybody. Ask him not to do a justice job. Hostess is flying the flight. Pilot is cleaning the toilet, and passengers are dancing in the what? What do you call that? Cockpit. पायलट इज गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब, दिस इज द सिस्टम. मैंने वॉइस रेज किया, ये मेरा पेमेंट नहीं निकाल रहा है. गेट एवरीबॉडी टू गिव द पे चेक्स एंड लीव एंड शूट देम इन मिडल ऑफ द रोड like they do it in Middle East. They suffer from pain every moment. This is the reason I don't want to get engaged with these people. I don't want to get purchased like a chocolate in the supermarket. आप समझो मैडम. If I go back, he told me, you come to me and I'll make sure you live with mansion, I get you everything. I'm not convinced. I don't want to look like a joker in the mirror when they laugh at me. It takes 4 days for these idiots to understand when they crack jokes at you. Verbal abuse, torture is not the word. ऐसे करते हो क्या? High dosage of belladonna, high dosage of serums, और वो डेविन मिलर आके